what's up? Welcome back to my channel where we do apartment tours on Tuesdays and Thursdays and something fun on Saturdays. I mean, let's get it going, you know? Today's video is just gonna be like a vlog. I'm gonna be cleaning my apartment and then decorating for Christmas. I'm so freaking excited to decorate my apartment for Christmas. So obviously my apartment is a mess and I'm gonna try and do it in like an hour. Just finished cleaning my apartment. I still need to wash the towels that I used to clean, so I'm waiting to do that. I still need to wash this off. I wash it like once a month, maybe every other month. It just sits on my floor and Oliver lays on it sometimes when we're in the living room, but I need to take this stuff down to my garage. I'm also gonna hit the dollar store and see if I can get some tissue paper and some like red and green candy that's super like cheap, because I want to clear this jar out and fill it with red and green candy. But I kind of like this area without that red pillow there, so I think I might not put the pillow there. I think I might put it on my bed. Okay, I just got back from the dollar store and Target, so I had to get them at Target, but that's no problem because marshmallows are marshmallows. I also picked up some bagels and mini bagels, and then I got these pillows. Literally couldn't help myself. And then I got some regular fries, sweet potato fries, and then I got some meats, some coffee creamer, some coffee, and some Christmas cookies to bake while we decorate tonight. And then I got these glasses, which we will unravel. I got these at the dollar store, and I also got this sign at the dollar store. Like, it's like kind of cheesy. I don't have anything in my room and I need something to pull the entire apartment together. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this stuff into the fridge. I ended up talking to my mom for like an hour on the phone. So I'm just now getting started with decorating. It's 8:30 at night. I have everything laid out here and I thought it would be fun to use this wrapping. It's a really big space and I need to fill it, and I don't want just this area to be Christmas. I want to be able to like go in here and it's all Christmas as well. You know what I mean? I am watching YouTube videos, so I am gonna like put it in a time lapse, and I guess the first thing I'm gonna do is move that mirror. That's done. Now
it's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, it's cold outside.
I got these at Target last year. They're like knitted like ornaments. And then I have some clear ones. I don't know if I'm gonna use these, but we'll see. I have this for my tree topper, but last year I had to rip off the thing where it like stands on, you know what I'm talking about? The coil, because it wasn't working. So I literally tied this to my tree last year. Make sure that I look festive. Some little cardboard deer and pieces like that. I bought these as a garland last year, but I cut them and tied them into ornaments for my tree. And then I need to get a picture of Oliver and I and get it printed out so that we can have it like here or something, or in my room. I just have these like plain red bulbs that I got at Walmart. Oh no, you know what? I think I got all of these at Walmart. So then I also have these like other bulbs. They look like cement. That's why I got them. I'm going to hang up these like gray ones, and then yeah, we'll go from there. My tree is done, finally. It's 9:30. I haven't eaten dinner yet, but I am determined to get my apartment done.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside.
So far, I don't know if I like this here or what, but this is like my couch deco, and I think honestly it does look really cute. I like it. What do you guys, minus that paper, what do you guys think of everything so far? I feel this isn't festive enough for me, so I want to try and make it look more festive. I'm gonna go ahead and place the tape down first before I put the paper down. So it's not perfect, but it definitely, I think, adds a little bit more than just being a white tray. This is going to stay here still because the gold matches. This candle is also gonna stay on this board because now it matches. I just don't know the layout of everything yet. Some treats at the dollar store.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
They're so cute. I'm not gonna like use them for anything, so I feel like I don't need to wash them. I think they're technically candle holders, but I'm literally just gonna put them on this tray. Okay, so I'm gonna probably keep this pine cone here as well. I feel like it kind of fits the aesthetic. Like, should I have these here, or like, how should I do this? Maybe you guys have an idea, let me know down below. And I think I kind of want to hang these up on my tree.
We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I also have these little like vase things down here that I got these for. I got them last year, but do you think it looks better with more in one, or should I spread it out at all? Let me see. $3.50. Perfect. So I also have these, like placeholders. My gosh. Perfect. This I need to buy some like incense for, so I don't know if I can just let this sit somewhere or what, but okay, so today's a completely different day, but I did put on the same exact outfit so that I would match. I want to throw some fake presents under the tree to make it look like I have presents and friends. These like don't stay open. They just go flat once you've got them in. Yo, what the? How do you make them stay? Did I just teach myself something? Oh my god, why am I the dumbest person ever? Oh my god. Oh my god!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.
I've got so many friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Christmas in my heart, but this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Okay, so I just finished my hot chocolate bar. I don't know how I feel about, I just like dumped the marshmallows all over. I don't know how I feel about this setup with like the cups on either side. I wish that the handle was on the other side for this cup, not gonna lie. Just trying to make it a little bit extra festive. I need to get like a Christmas oven mitt. Okay. Okay, imagine that full of cookies. Does that look better? Or does this look better?
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance.
I went to the dollar store again and I found these. They're just little nutcrackers with like jacked up hair. And then I got some little ornaments for my dollar store trees. And I got some fake lanterns at the dollar store. I got this, and the next couple of things from Hobby Lobby. They were each like $2, no lie, because everything is 50% off. We got 2 mini wreaths for my like cabinets above my sink. And how I'm going to install them is with some like ribbon. I'm gonna just tie them around, drape it over, and then just tape it in the back. And I think I'm going to glue this onto the ribbon. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes, but that's what I'm gonna do. Just watching a bit of YouTube. Right now I'm watching Amber Scholl. I just saw she bought her new house. I'm super excited for her. I would love to be her friend. Oh, I need to measure this. What if I slipped and fell? Oh my god. Is that a good spot? Whoops. Okay, so now I have 2 ribbons. This is like the tree from like, what's that movie called? No, oh, Nightmare Before Christmas. For the Dollar Tree, this isn't bad. Okay guys, that completes my decorating video. I'm sorry they're the same decorations as last year, but I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am trying my best to get as many videos up as I can this month. The goal is 25, so let's see how many I can do. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this video, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It's an apartment hunting tour. I'll see you then. Bye.